Hey everyone, what if I told you you can get web hosting for life with just a one-time payment? No monthly bills, no yearly renewals, just pay once and host forever. Sounds crazy, right? Well, today I'm reviewing Hostnirvana Lifetime Hosting, and I'll show you if it's actually worth it or just another hype deal. Before we dive in, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so you never miss an update. So, what exactly is Hostnirvana? It's an all-in-one web hosting solution where you can host your websites, create custom email addresses, install WordPress in one click, and manage everything from one single dashboard. And the best part? You pay once and use it forever. Let's talk about what you actually get. Performance, 100% SSD storage for fast loading, a free CDN for a global speed boost, and US-based servers. Security, daily malware scanning, a web application firewall, and FTP protection. Email features, unlimited email accounts, forwarding, and autoresponders. And for power, you get unlimited bandwidth, unlimited storage for your sites, and over 81 one-click apps like WordPress and WooCommerce. Here's where things get interesting, the pricing. Instead of paying monthly like other hosting services, Hostnirvana offers 3 websites for around $19, 10 websites for around $29, and 50 websites for around $49. And yes, that's a one-time payment, no renewal, no hidden fees. So, is Hostnirvana worth it? Yes, if you want cheap, simple, long-term hosting. No, if you need high-performance enterprise hosting. For the price, honestly, it's a solid deal. If you want to grab this lifetime deal, check the link in the description below. And if you found this video helpful, like the video, comment your thoughts, and subscribe for more honest software reviews. See you in the next one.